At American Emergency Vehicles, critical care is what we do. It's the mission of the men and women who provide life-saving response in our vehicles. And it's the spirit by which our master technicians, engineers, and craftsmen build our superior quality products. Delivering the industry's unrivaled standards for occupant safety is critical to AEV, and the handcrafted, customized care inside our manufacturing process means our ambulances deliver the performance and functionality our customers deserve, while providing the absolute best dependability and serviceability. AEV ambulances do not merely meet existing safety regulations and standards, we exceed them. We've earned our reputation for outstanding value and industry-leading crashworthiness. This formula is a commitment to our customers and is not one shared by all other manufacturers. Although the assembly process is complex, our unwavering focus is simple. Design and build an ambulance with unmatched structural integrity and occupant protection. AEV ambulances are manufactured at our state-of-the-art facility in North Carolina. AEV is certified by all major chassis manufacturers and holds ISO 9001 credentials for ambulance quality. We take the safety of our process and product to the highest level, and we are the only ambulance manufacturer operating in partnership with OSHA. Our vehicles merge time-tested ambulance building methods, innovative engineering, and the highest quality materials and components. Our engineers and technicians have accumulated centuries of experience and are dedicated to unequaled quality through innovation. We have mastered the balance of custom vehicle production and contemporary manufacturing techniques. The AEV production facility is a state-of-the-art, lean manufacturing operation that ensures the highest level of quality and value for our customers. Our system of creating emergency vehicles utilizes rigid process control and aggressive quality control. AEV continuously maintains a multi-million-dollar chassis inventory to make sure we have the chassis customers need for immediate production. Our qualified engineers design each vehicle on advanced CAD systems that marry process consistency with our trademark structural integrity. Certified welders ensure stringent design and structural integrity standards are met on all vehicles. Skilled master craftsmen integrate premier fit, finish, and function in all AEV cabinets and assemblies. Our exclusive painting process uses an electrostatic sure-wrap system to optimize coverage and application. Master electricians create dependable and serviceable electrical systems with your choice of relay logic or multiplex operating platforms. We take great pride in building the broadest and most diverse line of emergency medical vehicles in the industry. Each Trauma Hawk vehicle is built to your specifications in the exact configuration you desire. We offer total customization that accommodates special equipment and operating requirements. But we can do it without high customizing costs. We don't just assemble ambulances at AEV, we craft a world-class product backed with the strength and integrity of a responsive and progressive company. All of it backed by the industry's most comprehensive warranty coverage. It's all part of the AEV formula. A formula that makes us confident our ambulances will withstand the real-life dangers our customers navigate with every turn. Here's why. In the U.S., there are approximately 20 collisions every day involving ambulances. Of those, on average, 2 a month are fatal. In severe crashes, the patient compartment can suffer devastating damage. Too often, the body and cabinet structures fail to withstand the force of the collision. Unsecured occupants and equipment inside can become projectiles. The result can be catastrophic. Sobering images like these continually affirm AEV's commitment to engineer and produce an exceptional ambulance. AEV modular bodies and doors are built to be stronger and safer than any other vehicle in the market today. Yes, you could meet the federal standards by building a body with 30 or even 50% less structural framework in the body and doors, and some of our competitors do exactly that. Frankly, it's less expensive to build it that way. But a lesser design will not give you the crashworthiness inherent in every AEV unit. or the peace of mind that comes with having outstanding structural integrity. Top-grade raw materials, the finest components and hardware, cabinets and compartments built and installed with meticulous attention towards strength and safety. Engineered restraint systems for occupants and equipment. When it comes to occupant restraint, AEV's 6-point attendant harness system has consistently been proven superior through extensive testing. AEV's history of safety leadership includes multiple series of dynamic sled tests. Occupant safety has been the cornerstone of the AEV operating philosophy and a key component of our ongoing customer commitment. There's been a lot of talk about safety in the industry lately. AEV has always done more than talk. We knew we needed to go beyond assumptions based on acceleration simulators or static load testing. It was time to do what the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety do when they validate the crashworthiness of a vehicle. It was time for a real-world, dynamic high-speed crash test. Based on years of testing and experience, we knew we were ready. We designed our crash test to reflect a common and often deadly risk faced by emergency vehicles, the threat of being hit broadside while driving through an intersection. And in our test, we would go beyond normal crash test protocol by exposing our vehicle to 2 back-to-back collisions instead of just 1. Our plan? Take a brand new AEV ambulance right from the production line, then subject it to 2 high-speed non-braking side impacts by 2 sedans, 1 collision curbside, followed by 1 collision street side. Since there were no current federal standards for side impact testing of an ambulance, AEV reviewed the federal guidelines for crash testing passenger cars, which requires a side collision at a speed of 33 miles an hour. We did not feel that 33 miles per hour would sufficiently recreate the severity of an ambulance intersection collision. We set the speed for our test at 42 miles per hour. While a crash test like this is expensive, it is also revealing and is by far the best way to validate the structural integrity and occupant protection level of any vehicle during an actual collision. Our testing was held at a leading independent test facility used by the NHTSA and many of the automakers for their crash evaluation programs. The tests were performed by SAE member automotive engineers. First, the white 4-door sedan slams into our ambulance near the curbside access door. The impact is violent, almost flipping the ambulance while pushing it back over 10 feet. The front of the sedan literally disintegrates. Immediately after the crash, we could open and close our curbside and ALS doors, and there was no major structural damage to the unit. Inside the patient compartment, more incredible results. The occupants, who are all protected with our standard 6-point harness system, remain securely in their seats. The patient compartment interior is virtually undamaged. Now for the secondary collision on the street side of the same vehicle. Watch as the front end of this gold sedan shatters after ramming into the street side of the ambulance body at over 42 miles per hour. The ambulance recoils, but quickly steadies itself as before. Remarkably, the results are similar. The second car is totally destroyed, but no major external damage to our ambulance. And once again, the inside of the patient compartment is unharmed and fully intact. Most importantly, the occupants are still secure in their original seating positions. AEV crashworthiness tested. AEV crashworthiness confirmed. The high-speed multi-collision scenario was extreme, and the patient compartment design and construction met the challenge. Our resolute objective to provide life-saving protection for the occupants of our vehicles has been undeniably achieved. We have defined ambulance crashworthiness. We are AEV.